how to rename voice memos on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually rename voice memos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To rename the voice memos on your iPhone, let's say you go ahead and then record a certain memo over here as well. So I'll just tap the record option here. Once I hit the record option and then I end my recording, if I want to rename my voice memo, right, you can see my recording here. All I need to do is just tap the three dots option that you can find over here. Once you tap the three dots option over here, you should be able to see all this sorts of interface where one says edit recording. So tap the edit recording option here. Now once you tap the edit recording option, at the very top you'll find the recording name. So when you tap the recording name, now you'll enable the option to basically edit this name over here. So now you can simply give it a new name that you would like in this case, and once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap the done option over here in order to save your changes, and this way you can rename voice memos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.